things beautiful, functional, and inspiring for your living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you have been looking for a way to maximize your backyard and truly enjoy the beauty of nature right outside your door, you have come to the right place. Today we are diving deep into the wonderful world of garden outdoor seating ideas that will completely transform how you experience your yard. Whether you love hosting lively weekend barbecues, reading a book surrounded by lush greenery, or simply want a quiet sanctuary to unwind after a long day, the right layout and style of furniture can turn an empty patch of grass into the ultimate relaxation zone. Stick around as we unlock the design secrets that professionals use to create breathtaking, functional, and deeply inviting outdoor seating arrangements. Garden outdoor seating refers to the deliberate planning, selection, and arrangement of weather-resistant furniture, such as modular sectionals, cozy benches, built-in stone nooks, or hammock swings, within a landscaped outdoor environment. Investing your time and effort into a well-designed seating area is crucial because it bridges the gap between your indoor comfort and the natural beauty of the outdoors, essentially creating an entirely new room for your home. Beyond simply providing a place to sit, strategic seating arrangements establish clear focal points in your landscaping, enhance the visual flow of your yard, and encourage you and your guests to spend more time breathing fresh air and connecting with nature. It turns your garden from a view you merely look at through a window into an interactive, functional living space that adds immense value to your lifestyle. Seats in a garden are an invitation to rest. Because garden seating is part of the landscape, it should never be merely functional and comfortable, but also visually attractive or blend in unobtrusively. Here are 9 outdoor seating ideas for garden seating, including low-cost, sustainable, and DIY options. One. Hanging chairs. Hanging chairs, also known as bubble chairs, are as relaxing as they are eye-catching. You don't necessarily need a large tree in your yard with strong branches to suspend a hanging chair. Many bubble chairs come with their own stands that you can place on a deck, patio, porch, or level lawn. There are lots of different sizes, styles, and materials to choose from, including macrame, rattan, wood, metal, and plastic. 2. Bench doubling as storage. Though they are often labeled as outdoor patio storage benches, these popular dual-purpose benches can be placed anywhere in your backyard. They are just as handy for pool and garden supplies as they are for seat cushions. Even if they are waterproof, they are best used for seasonal storage only as moisture gets trapped inside and items can turn musty. 3. Tree bench. Wrapping a bench around the trunk of a shade tree is a great way to always find a seat in the shade even as the sun moves. Tree benches are either round or six-sided and made of wood or metal. They can be installed around a tree at any age, but leaving ample space from the trunk is especially important if it's a young tree to allow for the expansion of the trunk. 4. Wall bench. A wall, either one that marks the border of your property or a retaining wall on terraced terrain, is an ideal place to create a nook for a bench that blends into the hardscaping. This type of seating can be incorporated into any type of wall material: natural stone, poured concrete, pavers, or bricks. Keep in mind that these materials get hot in the summer heat, so you'll need cushions for comfort or add wooden boards for comfort and insulation. 5. Tree stump seat. When cutting down a tree, do not cut it down all the way to the ground. Instead, leave a comfortable seating height of 24 to 28 inches. If the trunk is 18 inches or more in diameter, it is a suitable seat in its own right. If the trunk is smaller in diameter, get a piece of cedar lumber to use as a seat and bolt it onto the stump. After the trunk has fully dried out, sand it to smooth it. 6. Tree trunk bench. This rustic, naturalistic DIY bench blends perfectly into the landscape. You'll need a trunk at least 18 inches in diameter and without any side branches. Using a chainsaw, cut flat the side that will sit on the ground. Then cut flat an area on the top side and sand it as needed. 7. Wall-mounted bench. Especially for small spaces, wall-mounted benches are a great option. Mount the bench to the side of a house, garage, shed, or wall. One step further and even more space-saving is a wall-mounted, folding hinged bench that you only open when you need extra seating. Sometimes the bench is additionally supported with either chains or fold-down legs. 8. Bench and arbor. This combination of bench and mini arbor is great for sun-drenched yards that lack shade. Made of metal or wood, usually cedar, bench arbors have an arched cover and lattice side panels. The back is either open or also set with lattice panels. The arbor needs to be secured to the ground to prevent it from toppling over. If it does not come with an anchoring kit, you'll need to purchase it separately. No matter the style, a bench arbor provides ample room for either annual or perennial vines to grow. 9. Chaise with wheels. For fresh air naps and any other time that you just want to put your feet up and stretch out, nothing beats a comfortable chaise. However, they can be cumbersome to drag around to follow the sun or shade. When you are shopping for a chaise, choose a model with wheels, which makes it easy to move on any type of surface, including lawn and gravel. Creating a luxurious and comfortable garden retreat does not require a massive structural renovation. Often, it just requires finding the perfect configuration that speaks to your lifestyle and complements your landscape. From the rustic charm of a hidden wooden bench nestled under a canopy of trees to the sleek, modern sophistication of a contemporary sectional gathered around a roaring fire pit, the possibilities are endless. Remember to focus on high-quality, weather-resistant materials and to layer your seating with plenty of plush textiles, accent tables, and surrounding plants to create depth, comfort, and character. If these garden outdoor seating ideas sparked your creativity and inspired your next backyard project, please hit that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more weekly home decor inspiration. Drop a comment down below telling us which seating setup was your absolute favorite, or share a picture-perfect idea of how you currently lounge in your own backyard oasis. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a video, and we will see you in the next episode.